How to get rid of addiction and abuse. Tell me, does this describe someone you know? Some people who feel inferior use an addiction to try to overcome weaknesses, especially in times of increased stress or deep inner conflict. A person's inner inferiority complex reveals itself in his or her actions such as addiction, drug abuse, alcohol abuse, child abuse, compulsive eating, blame, and aggression, among others. No successful person desires a destructive addiction. What people who choose addiction or abuse really want is the power and ability to create better lives. Fearing they do not have this power to improve their lives, you will hear these people use excuses and blame to justify their addiction and abuse and protect what little dignity they feel they have left. If you find yourself or others dealing with addiction or abuse, instead of justifying or blaming, ask the following questions. Do I really want healing and resolution for this addiction or abuse? Am I willing to improve myself to achieve healing? Do I realize I can't control others? The only one I can control is me. Am I willing to take the first step for myself and get rid of my addiction, abuse, excuses, blame, and other destructive habits to achieve peace and happiness? Alcohol abuse and drug abuse are common crutches today. I have met many people who feel tongue-tied or awkward at social events. They find a few cocktails or beers give them a lift, turning them from introvert to extrovert. There are many people who drink to feel better about themselves, even to the point of abuse or addiction. For an article entitled "Lori Prokop Interviews the Experts," one doctor said to me, "It's sad but true. A seemingly innocent use of alcohol can quickly and easily become an addiction, especially if people perceive they are some way improved when they drink." Alcohol abuse, drug abuse, and any other addiction are serious forms of personal loss. The people who depend on any exterior addiction or abuse rather than improving their perceived weaknesses and healing their pains are beaten from the start. Such a person can find healing. They must get rid of the addiction and abuse, find a healing system which works and resolve their fears and pains.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.